Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Damn, gang, you know, it's light white. Back with another video, you know what the fuck going on. We got CO1 boat. Your camera dead. That bitch must have been in the car.
Nah, that bitch been in my bag.
Man, y'all know what it look like out here, man. It's snowing, man. Y'all already know what type of vlog this gonna be. He tell me he gotta use his phone, Chad. He gotta use his phone. He got a vlog though. Big ass suit.
Back in the day with
big ass suit. Big ass suit. Let me see something. Let me see something. But they Jupiter booty. Can you twerk something? Jupiter booty. Can you twerk something? It bet the fuck not. It bet not.
Your ass spends on pavement.
No, I don't spend it all.
Goddamn.
I don't spend it all. They slide everything. Thanks.
Man, that Toyota slid it later.
For real?
Yeah.
I'm thinking about going out there. I might. It's cold in the mud. Man. I'm saying we got the Z in the snow. Come here, boy.
Girl, we got the Z.
Got the Avenger pack in the fucking snow, man. I know what the fuck going on, man. Hey, Zaybo, hold on.
Shit, both them cars be spinning.
Huh?
All the time. I've seen your ass out plenty of that.
Shit is cold. I ain't think you were gonna snow for real.
Shit, y'all ain't the only ones out.
Yeah, look, check him out.
Well, you know he's straight. Damn, my hand's cold as a bitch.
Oh, he's sad. Let me walk that video. Hey, somebody put the Hellcat sign over there. It's too motherfucking cold behind my motherfucking hand, I can tell you that.
That just looks like a gremlin.
But when the police come?
Shit. But if they come.
Hey, what's that? It ain't nothing wrong with a little bump. Hit that bit again. How you get stuck in this? Ugly ass nigga. So there you go. He up out of there now. Check the date out. He handling that bitch though.
That bitch stuck. That bitch stuck. I'm gonna be stuck as fuck too. Oh shit!
How the fuck you ain't getting dirty? My fucking cover is fucking goddamn shit.
motherfucking hand got blisters on them. Oh shit, them motherfuckers already fucked up. It cold as fuck. My motherfucking hand on.
The next day,
It's snowball. You don't get snowbirds
I see they put me on memes and things. Don't speak on my life without knowing the real. 8 figures a year, what it cost me to lead. Don't only just say what you feel, but watch your mouth before I flash your bitch. To a place that she didn't know exists. Mediterranean water, my race and shit. Talk on my shit, 6-figure check. Man, I'm lit. They celebrating my bag legit. Niggas with me, with whatever I'm with. Didn't know who did it, got everybody hit, bitch.
I'm
Good snow day, man. Good snow day, man. Damn! Come on, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. What y'all think? In the comments, I'm gonna get caught right. I'm gonna still post the video. The fucking what's going viral.
You knew what it was when you first saw it. Stevie Wonder told you that. Baby, Tuesday, Eagle Payday.
Come on, man. Everybody outside. Yeah, man, I got a lawnmower, man. He on back of the lawnmower, bro. He on back of the lawnmower.
Fucking boot out on the back of that lawn.
Man, chill out. Damn.
He throwing that bitch.
Man.
Man, who the whoop
We outside, man. What the fuck going on?
fuck on my baby.
We try to get this shit. Oh shit, don't hit me, Kimbo. We off the highway with it, man. What's going on? Good little snow day. We don't get snow too often, so we gotta enjoy it and do what we gonna do. We got these two dancing down here right here, man. At the show. Man, y'all stupid, bro. Ready? Yeah, little money tail. He ready? He ready?
He doing, he sick.
What we doing?
We good now.
Hit them ass from the back. Hey, hold on, ring sit down, hold on. You stay right there, stay right there, stay right there.
I just get behind that pole.
He's ready. He ready. He ready. It be your own people, man.
Oh yeah, let's do it, yeah.
He ready. I don't know how to do that shit. Oh, yeah, dancing that nigga. Rock roll. These niggas all in the snow, bro. They tripping. Hey, you a good old dancing ass nigga. Hey, look. Need a fucking taxi charger because my camera finna die. I was sorry that we get the interest shit going on. Make sure that like button, comment, subscribe. Post notifications when you post another video. If my camera died, it might be in this video, but hey, y'all stay tuned, man. Everything working. This nigga here, man. Oh, man. What you doing, man? Go home, bitch.
What you mean I'm sliding this bitch?
Ain't go home.
Let me hold your ski.
Hell no.
That bitch smell like dookie and some bullshit.
You smell like your fucking face. You smell like shit.
What up, Daddy?
He smell like shit. You smell like shit. It's cold as fuck.
I've been riding 4-wheelers and all kinds of shit.
That might be a bit about. Make sure the like button, comment, subscribe, post notifications, tune in, post another video. Hey, we out, man.
Oh, God damn it!